Fluther is a dApp which can be used to create recurring token buys over time, an investment strategy also known as dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a functionality which exists on multiple centralized exchanges, but there's a need for a decentralized method which makes use of native Web3 DEXs. Furthermore, automating recurring buys has been complicated due to the push rather than pull nature of blockchain transactions. When considering recurring payments, a user would have to manually sign transactions from their wallet for each recurring buy. Fluther overcomes this by running automation nodes that submit the transaction on behalf of users, but only when predefined parameters have been met. So here I am at the Fluther landing page. So the first thing a user needs to do is connect wallet, and I'm going to connect with MetaMask. If you're not connected to the right network, you'll get this prompt to connect to the Sepolia testnet. So I'm going to click that. And this was made by way of the MetaMask SDK. So it's going to automatically switch us to that test network. So I've already approved a bunch of spending for wrapped ETH and making these dollar cost average agreements, but you can always click this orange button to approve a different amount. But in this case, I'm just going to return back here, and I'm just going to log a dollar cost average agreement. I'm going to buy maybe 2 ETH worth of uni on every 5-minute interval. Notice that we have this green button pop up. I'm going to sign off on the transaction. The spinner is going to spin. We do get this pop up once we've completed our dollar cost average agreement request. And we can always view these dollar cost agreements that we've made down here. I've already made one previous that's looking to spend 0.3 worth of wrapped ETH every 5 minutes. To see these amounts come in, you can click this data visualization off of the uni token icon. And this was made with an Infura provider to check the block timestamp previous and how much token a user had at any given moment. When the uni token ticks up by way of the nodes on the back end, this text is going to flash green. If you're looking to get test token for this dApp, you can click this token fountain right here where you can request test ETH. And we've also used the MetaMask SDK to plop in our custom tokens into your MetaMask. For example, if I wanted to add the Fluther test uni to MetaMask, I can click the button right there, add token. And next time I go into MetaMask, you'll see in my token header I have uni amount right there. So that's the dollar cost average app that we've made. It allows us to seamlessly create dollar cost averages, which trigger over time. A user can also cancel these agreements by way of the cancel button down here. So you can really have full control over the types of investments you're making on our dApp. So that's the quick run through of what we've made, and look at that, it just flashed green, so we have some uni token that's come in. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed.